guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is just like Vampirina.
So today's look, Lola's actually transforming from Lola to Vampirina. So if you guys want to watch how she got this look, keep on watching.
Okay guys, we're gonna start using a Vampirina makeup. We're using this face paint.
What color is Vampirina's skin, Lola?
It is white and she's blue and purple because we're gonna use white.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with her face, and like Lola said, her makeup is blue and somewhat purple, but keep on watching so you guys can see how we transform Lola into
Vampirina.
So we're gonna get this blue and mix it with this white and start putting it on Lola's face.
Look like Vampirina. Look like a zombie. But she's a vampire.
She's a vampire?
Or she's just a bat. Some mama.
So guys, I got this face paint in Amazon.
This is how it looks.
Continue to do it because she wants to try it. So go ahead, Lola.
If you do your eyebrows, make sure you
Yeah.
to put on your eyebrows.
Oh, make sure you guys put it on your eyebrows like she said. All over her skin. And she's still continuing on putting makeup. She is mixing white, like we mentioned earlier, and a little bit of blue.
Vampirina, so this is look right.
And what else do we have left?
Her chin.
So let's continue, guys.
Okay. Let's continue. You guys put it on your ear.
Okay, Lola, let's do your other ear.
Put it on my. Can you hold my hair? Now we're gonna work for the eyebrows.
Now we're gonna work on the eyebrows, guys.
Now how is this one eyebrow here?
And now we're gonna work on the other one.
This one is right there. How it looks like Vampirina.
And what did you use for your eyebrows?
Black one.
This black one right here, guys. It's so creamy and so easy. So it goes on really smooth.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna work on her eyeliner because Vampirina has an eyeliner. Keep watching.
This is how eyeliner looks.
Face that way so they can see.
This is the eyeliner looks.
Now we're gonna work on
Another one
the other side.
like Vampirina.
She has her eyeliner on. Turn around. And Vampirina has some like purplish cheeks. So we're gonna work on that, and we're gonna actually blend out the blue that you see right there. We're gonna blend it out, and we're gonna add purple blush. Keep watching, guys.
So this is for my cheek for the blush.
So we actually used this purple one. It's an eyeshadow, but we used it for her blush. Let's see, Lola. Just to give her a little bit of color, just so she won't look all blue. Now, Lola actually wants to look blue on her arms. So just make sure you guys get the paint and just cover the skin. like I'm doing. She's gonna completely transform from Lola to Vampirina. Keep watching, guys.
Keep watching.
Lola has completely transformed into Vampirina. Let's see how she looks. Oh, wow. Vampirina. And this is how she looks as Vampirina. Lola really wanted to look like Vampirina, and we even painted her hands, her arms blue like Vampirina. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, subscribe to her channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, wow.